This is my oldest GitHub repo, and somehow it violates every software engineering principle. We're gonna go through line by line and figure out what's going on here. Okay, so this is a Java rhythm game I wrote in college called Beatraer. It was for a class to make educational games, and the purpose was to teach kids how to read sheet music. I even had little details about some artists I like, some of their history. This is what the gameplay looked like. Oh my god, the notes don't even match the music. There's like no feedback. There's no rhythm, nothing. But I did it nonetheless. Oh yeah, look at this. I kind of like the screen. It's kind of got like a budget PS2 rhythm game going on. Oh, part of the class was to remember to incorporate like all types of different cultures and backgrounds. I thought I could make it vaguely Asian, tried to appeal to the Latins too. All right, so let's see how this works. This game is a music platformer to teach people how to read sheet music, okay? You may be wondering, Josh, why are we roasting just one file if you made an entire game? Well, guess what? This file is the whole game. That's it. Oh my god, look at all of this. This is a brain dump. I had no concept of like separating anything. New y. There's no old y. Why would there be a new y? Why is win a public variable? Why is display notes a public variable? Why is any of this a public variable? There's literally no other class to call it. Okay, reasonably we have to define our notes. After all, it is a rhythm game. So we have our E note, F note, G. Okay, it's weird that D comes after that. Surely after this, there will be ABC, right? Note time. Okay, maybe later on there's ABC. Notes past missed notes. Are these even used? They do get used. They get set to top and bottom. What? I see, it's actually genius. A staff, there are two F notes on one staff. And so it could be the one on the top or the one on the bottom, I see. So clearly you probably made some reusable logic, you know, something that will allow you to set it at the top or bottom no matter what, right? Whether it's either of these notes, right? Let's see. Okay, hopefully you did it better elsewhere, right? No, every single one has this problem. What are these nested? What are these numbers? What does this number mean? What does this number mean? Oh my god, you reuse this number multiple times. Okay, reasonable function here. Reset level. You have to reset the level, right? You set your note to 0. You set your missed notes. You reset all those variables. Oh, and I'm sure the sprites that are on screen, you have to get rid of them, right? And of course, you're going to destroy them, right? To open up some memory. You know, you set them to -1,000,000. Music note test.png made it into the finale. We love that. Oh my god. We had no concept of an array, of a for loop to initialize these. Oh my god, no wonder I felt like I was working so hard. I wasn't programming. I don't know what this was. I was just like a monkey, just like typing everything. Okay, these are the letters. Okay, I see. So these are the notes, and then we render the letters over them. Oh my god, and then we have all this other game logic. Oh, okay, these are photos. These are photos. Okay, here is the music engine. I actually remember this, and I thought I was such a genius. There's no object, there's no timing struct, just vibes. Oh, so we do know about arrays. We even know about arrays of arrays. Oh my god, we load it by just splitting the string by spaces. This is insane. Why would you use enums and types when you could just put it all in one string and hope that you never type anything correctly? Oh my god, is that a typo? There's a typo. There's a big typo. I managed to misspell eighth note in the literal game to teach people music. Okay, let's actually try to understand the logic. So we have our first function, reset note. So I'm guessing, I didn't comment it, but I'm guessing that when the note goes off screen, it's gonna come back. If note plus 1, okay, what is note? Okay, so it starts off as 0. What is this? Oh, this is how we figure out which note in the song we are. I think I understand. We're incrementing note every time we reset a note, and if we're at the last song, then we've finished. Sure. Check note. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 nested ifs. This is insane. This is actually insane. If the note is between x position 30 and 8, I guess I was trying to give people like a good window in order to press the note, and the score hasn't updated. And if the Q note collides with note and they're in the same Y position, this is because when you press one of the letters, it moves your note to the Y position. And we're not checking. What we're checking is if you move to the same Y position, which is insane, instead of just checking if the letter I press matches the note that's coming. Okay, and if flat is Q... Oh, okay. If it was flat or sharp, you have to have held the shift key in order to get your score. Oh, it's nice. We try to add different sound effects so that people don't get bored. If flat is Q note, flat is null. Okay, so we're assuming that we're never gonna get 2 flats in a row. I don't even know what this else is for. Okay, so if it's not a flat and a sharp. Oh, okay. So this is really just checking like if you've pressed shift. This could have really all been in one if, but whatever. Oh my God, I'm repeating the logic every time. Look at this. Look at this repetition. Okay, otherwise, if you didn't do it, you missed. Got it? Score updated. True, notes passes plus plus. I thought that's what note was doing. What the hell? Oh my God, there's more. Oh, okay. And then if the note goes off screen, then we reset it. So this is for taking in a sprite and fading it out. I guess this runs on every tick. And so if the alpha is like at 0.99, we increase it, or we stop increasing it. Otherwise, if it's less than 0.6, we're gonna continue to increase it. And if we set increase, oh my God. If we set increase to true, we go up. Why did we not just do this here? State is equal to state.game. And if the song is less than 3, miss notes. And if, oh my God, these nested ifs are driving me insane. If miss notes equals, okay, so if you missed a third of the notes, then it's game over. If you finished, we do the same thing that fade did. What the hell? Okay. Otherwise, you pause the song plus plus. Sure. If note is not equal to null, go to new y. Where did we set new y? Oh my God, we're setting it everywhere. I think I had a partner for this. I'm so sorry. If the quarter note is not null, check note. Okay. Oh my God. If it's this, go to this. If it's this, go to this. Dude, I think the way I actually found these y coordinates is by like moving them and then just looking at what the y coordinate was. I mean, it worked. It certainly works. It's just, I'm sure there's a mathematical way to figure this out. If you press enter, oh, you're able to press enter to hide the letters that appear on the note. Okay. And this is why it's good to put things into named functions. Okay. Yeah, we do this to toggle it. Okay. If the quarter notes is not null, for each note in the quarter note, if the note is not null, note.setPosition. What? Oh, this is how the note moves to the left. It moves 3 pixels to the left. So does the letter. Oh my God, we're repeating the exact same code for everything. Okay, so if you're at the menu and you press space, you load level 1, and then we fade it. I probably thought I was so cool with this fade. Also, why is fade capitalized? It should not be capitalized. If press keys that contains... Oh, if we failed and we press space. Okay, I can understand this. We reset the level. We play the music of the song we've been on. We fade to try again. Otherwise, if we finished, you press space, you just start over again. Otherwise, if you're loading the level, we sleep for 5 seconds, set the state to game, and start playing our song. I don't know what this was catching, but I'm sure that this was not right. This is all just a bunch of nested ifs and null checks. Wow. I could probably reduce this by like 300 lines. This is insane. You know, as cursed as this is, I'm glad that this still exists. It shows me how far I've come. But also, this is the kind of code I could give to someone and be like, hey, how would you improve this? And there's just so much to say because nothing is good about it. Some part of me just wants to remake this. Should I remake this? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if you like this. If you like this, I'll consider remaking.